I hear this excuse all the time. I am not good with numbers, so investing is not for me. Let me destroy that excuse right now. You do not need to analyze company balance sheets. You do not need to understand options pricing, bond yields, or any complicated financial formula. Here is the only number that actually matters when you are starting out. Your monthly investing amount. That is it. Pick a number. Any number you can afford. Even $20 a month. Set up an automatic monthly payment into a global index fund, something that tracks the world stock market. Then, and this is important, forget about it. Let compound interest do the mathematics for you. The market has averaged 7 to 10% annually for decades. You do not calculate that. You just participate in it. The biggest lie in personal finance is that investing is complicated. It is not. You need one decision. One automatic transfer. One index fund. The rest takes care of itself over time. Do not let a maths myth keep you broke. Follow Grow Your Wealth for beginner investing tips every single day. Drop a comment, what stopped you from investing before today?